Hey guys, welcome to Tall Boys Toys. In this video I'm going to show you how to drive a manual car. This is the steering wheel. This is the gear lever. This is the first gear, second, third, fourth, and then the fifth. And reverse gear is like this. This is the neutral gear. To put the first gear, push it to extreme left and then put it on top. To change it to the second gear, bring it back to neutral, push it to the extreme left and then pull it down. To change it to the third gear, bring it to neutral, it will come to the middle and then push it on top. To change it to fourth, bring it back to neutral and then pull it down. For the fifth gear, push it to extreme right and then put it on top. To engage the reverse gear, push it to extreme right and then pull it down. This is the handbrake. Releasing the handbrake is like this. Pull it on top, press this button and then leave it. And while engaging it, just pull it, don't press this button. The first thing that you have to know is A, B and C. A is the accelerator, B is the brake and C is the clutch. The brake and the accelerator should be controlled in one leg, that is your right leg. And clutch should be controlled only in your left leg. Please do not use your left leg to control the brake. This is the key cylinder. This is off. ACC denotes accessories. And this is ignition on. And then this is for starting. I'll show you how to start the vehicle. Put the car into neutral gear first. Insert the key. If you turn it once, the accessories will get activated. If you turn the key once again, the ignition will get turned on and fuel will start flowing into the engine. Turn the key again to start the vehicle and leave the key. Before starting to drive a car, you have to adjust all three mirrors. You should be able to see clearly the vehicles that are coming behind. So adjust it properly. It should cover the glass fully. Coming to the side mirrors. Always adjust them in such a way that you are able to see 10% of your car's body. 10% of your car's body should be seen. And in the remaining part of the mirror, you should be able to see the other vehicles. Do the same for the left side mirror too. You have to know where the wiper, headlight and the indicator controls are located. This is the parking light and this is the headlight. For high beam, push it away from the steering wheel. For low beam, pull it towards the steering wheel. For activating the pass lights, just pull it towards the steering wheel. To turn on the left side indicators, push it to the left. And for right side indicators, push it to the right. To turn the wipers on, pull this lever down. To move the car, press the clutch, put the car into first gear and release the handbrake. Release the clutch slowly. You can see the car moving. I am not accelerating the car. The car is moving on its own. That is because of the clutch. After releasing the clutch fully, gently accelerate the car. Now let me take a U-turn. Always use indicators while turning. It is better to use hand-over-hand method to turn the car. When it gains speed, change the gear. While changing the gear, press the clutch, change the gear, release the clutch and then accelerate. While downshifting the gears, downshift gradually, 5th to 4th, 4th to 3rd, 3rd to 2nd and then to the 1st. While turning the car, I don't recommend turning like this. Turn like this. This is the hand over hand method, where one hand comes over the other hand. Hand over hand method helps in having a better control over the car. You can turn the car easily without losing control. If you are parking your car in a steep surface, don't leave it in neutral. Put it in the first or the second gear, pull the handbrakes, and then turn the ignition off.